Welcome back everyone, Triple M here. Today I got great news for everyone that owns a Roku TV or Roku player that's been asking about Peacock TV. If you guys remember, Peacock launched a couple months ago and great service. They have a couple tiers. They have a free tier also, which attracted a lot of people to the service. The downfalls were that it was not available for Roku, and also it was not available on your Amazon Fire Stick. Now since then I've done a couple videos showing you guys how to get this on your Fire Stick, but for Roku it wasn't as easy to load Peacock. So today I wanted to let everyone know that Peacock TV is available for your Roku devices, for your Roku TVs. Let's go ahead and jump into the details. So if you're new to the channel, I do everything tech, from your streamer reviews, streaming news, product reviews, unboxings, and everything in between. Hit that subscribe button in the top right, smash the notification bell. Make sure you select all on notification. That way you won't miss a video or a giveaway. So before we jump into it, if you guys haven't seen my full review on Peacock TV, go ahead and check it out. Like I said in the intro, it's a great service. It has 3 tiers, one tier of course being completely free, and like I said, it's something to add to the collection. It's not going to satisfy all your needs for content, but it's something to add to your arsenal. So before we jump into installation, let me just read a little bit from The Verge of what was going on with this application, and I'll go ahead and leave this article in the description as well. So Comcast and Roku has finally came to an agreement months after NBC Universal's Peacock streaming service launched. Peacock is now available on Roku, so you can essentially go to the store, search for it. Should be able to download and sign in, no issues there. So they're quoted saying, "We're pleased to have reached an agreement with Comcast that will bring Peacock to Roku customers and maintain access to NBCU's TV Everywhere apps. We look forward to offering these new options to customers under an expanded, mutually beneficial relationship between our companies that includes adding NBC content to Roku channel and meaningful partnership on advertising." So I'll go ahead and check that out, maybe in a upcoming video, maybe just to check out what changes and what content was moved over to the Roku channel. So here's Peacock TV right here, guys. Before I launch it, to get to it or to install it, you click to the left on your Roku. You're just going to do a quick search. All right, so you just search for Peacock TV essentially. It will pop up. Instead of go to channel, you have the option to add the channel. Now once the channel is added, just like Peacock on anywhere else, you are going to have to sign in. Once you sign in, launch Peacock. And there we go, Peacock TV up and running on your Roku devices. So this is one of those things I've been getting a lot of questions about. I know the Fire Stick installation video was very popular. A lot of questions came in for Roku, and one of the biggest things with Roku is that yes, you were able to cast it, yes, you were able to get it to your TV, but it just wasn't that same independent experience that you do get with this application. So if you guys have any questions about this, drop it in the comment section below. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. This video is being sponsored by IPVanish. IPVanish is one of the best VPN services in the world. They do have top speeds, they do have a money-back guarantee, and they're recommended by some of the top organizations in the world, from CNET, CNN, Lifehacker, as well as PC Mag. Now, if you guys don't know what VPN is short for Virtual Private Network. And what a VPN does is essentially encrypts your data. That way no one can see your web traffic. So a lot of people use it for different reasons, to access geolocked content. Other people use it to remain anonymous while acquire media, maybe for their Plex server. Most people just want to remain anonymous, keep the internet service provider out of your business, keep them from tracking you, and keep them from knowing what you're looking at. Check the link in the description where I will have a VPN deal that will save you a little bit of money. So if you're new to the channel, I do everything tech, from your streamer reviews, streaming news, product reviews, unboxings, and everything in between. Hit that subscribe button in the top right, smash the notification bell. Make sure you select all on notification. That way you won't miss a video or a giveaway.